Imagine stepping out on an icy morning only to find your car won't start. Every winter, simple mistakes leave drivers stranded and repairs skyrocketing, from $250 batteries to $600 tire replacements. These 10 essential winter car tips will keep you safe, warm, and moving. And wait for the bonus trick, a game changer that most drivers don't even know exists. Tip number 10. Keep your gas tank at least half full. Cold air and a nearly empty tank don't mix well. When the temperature drops, moisture builds inside the tank. That water can freeze and block your fuel lines. Once that happens, your car might not even start. Fixing frozen or damaged fuel lines costs upwards of $200, depending on your vehicle. And if your fuel pump burns out from running dry, that's another $600 to $1,000 gone. Keeping your tank at least half full stops condensation from forming. It also keeps your fuel system pressurized and ready to go. Another benefit is peace of mind. If you're stuck in traffic or snowed in, you'll need fuel to run the heater and stay warm. No gas means no heat, and that's not a situation you want in sub-zero weather. Practice this habit. Make it automatic maintenance and fill up before winter finds you unprepared. Your car will start reliably each morning. But what good is a fuel tank if what's flowing through your car can't handle the cold? Let's talk about the hidden liquids that decide whether your engine hums or groans. Tip number 9. Check and change your fluids. Fluids are your car's lifeblood, and when temperatures plunge, they're the first to suffer. Cold oil thickens, coolant weakens, and washer fluid can freeze solid. That means slower starts, poor heating, and even engine damage. Start with your engine oil. If it's nearing the end of its service life, change it now. Fresh oil helps your engine start faster and reduces wear. Most importantly, winter oil needs the right viscosity for cold starts. Look for grades beginning with a lower W, like 0W20 or 5W30. The W stands for winter. The lower the first number, the better the oil flows in freezing temperatures. When in doubt, refer to your owner's manual for the recommended grade. Next, check your coolant, also known as antifreeze. It doesn't just stop overheating, it prevents the engine from freezing. A coolant tester or mechanic can check its strength. Make sure it protects down to at least -35 Fahrenheit or -37 Celsius. If it's old, cloudy, or rusty, replace it before the cold bites. Finally, your washer fluid. Often ignored until it's too late. Use a winter blend rated for -40 to avoid freezing lines. Never use plain water. It can crack the tank. Now that your car's fluids are ready for the freeze, let's focus on something you see every single day but rarely think about until it's too late. Tip number 8. Replace wiper blades and treat your windows. Snow, slush, and salt can coat your windshield in seconds, and if your wipers can't clear it fast, you're driving blind. Visibility isn't optional in winter, it's survival. Check your wiper blades. If they streak, skip, or chatter, it's time for new ones. Old rubber hardens in the cold, leaving behind smears instead of clarity. Replace them with winter or beam-style blades designed to cut through ice buildup and maintain full contact with the glass. Remember when we talked about changing fluids? This connects directly. Your wipers can't work without the right washer fluid. Make sure it's winter grade so it can handle salt and grime without freezing up. Also, clean the inside of your windshield. Fog and residue from heaters or air vents can blur your vision fast. Use a proper glass cleaner and apply an anti-fog treatment to keep it crystal clear. For extra protection, apply a rain repellent on the outside. Water will bead off instead of sticking. Stay sharp, see clearly, because clear glass equals safe driving. Still with me? The next one's for anyone who's ever yanked a frozen door handle at 7 a.m. Tip number 7. Prevent frozen door seals. Don't start your morning wrestling with frozen doors. Frozen seals can rip or trap you outside. Moisture freezes the rubber to the metal frame, making handles hard to pull safely. It's annoying, time-wasting, and can damage your car. Prevent it with quick, cheap maintenance steps. Start by cleaning the rubber seals thoroughly. Use a soft cloth and mild cleaner, then dry the seals before completely treating them. Then, apply WD-40 or silicone grease evenly. It creates a thin, water-resistant barrier that stops ice from bonding the rubber to the metal. Lightly lubricate hinges, latches, and locks too. Avoid heavy oils that attract winter grime. For keyholes, use graphite or silicone spray to keep them smooth and ice-free. If a door is already frozen, don't force it open. Pouring hot water can refreeze and crack parts. Instead, use warm water and gentle pressure. Or warm the seal with a hairdryer carefully. A few minutes of care means smooth doors, no ice, and stress-free mornings. Alright, your doors open smoothly now, but can your car actually wake up? Before we find out, give that like button a little love and subscribe for more clever car hacks. Tip number 6. Check your battery and carry a jump pack. Ever noticed a white, crusty powder around your battery terminals? That's corrosion, a mix of dried acid and metal deposits. It builds up faster in winter because cold weather slows chemical reactions inside the battery, forcing it to work harder. That extra strain releases gas, which reacts with air and moisture, forming that chalky layer. Corrosion weakens the connection between your battery and cables. Even a thin coating can block power flow and stop your car from starting. Clean it off with a wire brush or a battery cleaner before it gets worse. Cold weather is tough on every battery. At 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you lose up to 35% of its power. At 0 degrees, more than half of its strength disappears, just when your car needs the most energy to start. Add defrosters, headlights, and heaters, and you're draining even more power. Get your battery tested before winter hits. Most auto shops do it for free. If it's over 3 years old, replace it. It's cheaper than a tow. And don't forget your lifeline, a portable jump pack. Compact and powerful, it can start your car anywhere. Stay charged, stay ready, because dead batteries hate cold mornings. Even with a strong start, winter loves throwing surprises. So what happens when you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and the snow's still falling? Tip number 5. Keep a winter survival kit. Winter doesn't forgive unprepared drivers. One breakdown in freezing weather can turn dangerous fast. That's why every driver needs a winter survival kit. Not as an accessory, but as a lifeline. Start with warmth. Pack a heavy blanket, gloves, and a hat. Add chemical hand warmers and a compact thermal blanket. If your heater fails, these will keep you from freezing. Next, think about light and visibility. Carry a strong flashlight with spare batteries. Add a reflective vest and emergency flares so others can see you in snow or darkness. Now for tools that truly help, pack a small folding shovel, an ice scraper, traction mats, and a tow strap. These can free your tires and get you moving when stuck in deep snow. Don't forget food and hydration. Bring non-perishable snacks, bottled water, and a power bank to charge your phone. Include a small first aid kit, necessary medicines, and extra clothing layers. Keep everything in a waterproof, easy-to-reach bag. A well-packed kit turns chaos into control. It keeps you warm, visible, and calm until help arrives. Tip number 4. Check your tire pressure regularly. Cold weather steals tire pressure fast, so check weekly. Expect roughly 1 psi loss per 10 degrees Fahrenheit drop. That equals about 1 psi per 5.6 C temperature fall daily. Underinflated tires bite into traction on icy roads, reducing braking. They also accelerate uneven wear and shorten tire life prematurely. Proper PSI improves grip, handling, and fuel economy today. Check pressure when tires are cold for accuracy before driving. Use a reliable gauge. Digital models work best for accuracy. Don't forget the spare. It could save you in emergencies. If your car has TPMS, don't rely solely on it. Once pressure is correct, maintain it consistently throughout winter. Inflate tires to the number on the door jamb sticker. Adjust pressure for heavy loads or towing needs safely. Warm tires can read higher. Wait before checking, always. Finally, think beyond just pressure. Full tire care matters. Rotate tires and monitor tread depth regularly each month. Consider winter-specific tires for snowy or icy conditions seriously. Keep a small portable compressor in the trunk handy and record pressure readings to notice any slow leaks. In case you suspect persistent pressure loss, visit a pro. Tip number 3. Inspect your heater and defroster. Your heater isn't just for comfort. It's your winter defense system. It keeps you warm, yes, but more importantly, it keeps your windows clear and your visibility sharp. A fogged or frosted windshield can turn a routine drive into a dangerous one within minutes. Before the deep cold hits, test both your front and rear defrosters. Make sure they blow warm air evenly and clear the glass quickly. If the airflow feels weak, don't ignore it. That could signal a clogged cabin air filter, low coolant, or even a failing blower motor. All of these can worsen in freezing temperatures and cost more to fix later. While you're at it, check your heater's performance on all settings. If it takes too long to warm up, your thermostat might be sticking. A common winter issue that's inexpensive to fix, but vital for comfort and safety. A working heater and defroster do more than keep you cozy. They keep you alive. Tip number 2. Clean sunroof drain. Most drivers forget their sunroof even has drains until winter hits. Then suddenly, water leaks appear, carpets get soaked, and doors freeze shut overnight. The culprit? Clogged sunroof drains filled with dirt, leaves, or ice. Your sunroof has small drainage channels that carry water out through tubes hidden in the car's pillars. When these clog, melted snow or rainwater has nowhere to go. It backs up, spills into the cabin, and freezes when temperatures drop, damaging electronics, upholstery, and even causing rust. Before winter, check your sunroof and inspect the corners. You'll see tiny drain holes on each side. Pour a little warm water down one. If it doesn't drain quickly underneath the car, it's blocked. Use compressed air, soft wire, or a pipe cleaner to gently clear the passage. Never use sharp tools. You could puncture the tubing. Once clean, finish by wiping the rubber seals and adding a thin layer of silicone spray to keep them flexible. A quick 10-minute cleanup now saves you from soaked carpets and repair bills that can hit hundreds later. Tip number 1. Use a foam snow brush. It's tempting to grab a stiff bristle brush and scrape away, but that move can do real damage. Those hard bristles can leave swirl marks and tiny scratches that become permanent once salt and grime settle in. Instead, switch to a foam snow brush or snow broom. The soft, dense foam glides over paint and glass without damage, even in sub-zero conditions. It's light, efficient, and removes deep snow in wide sweeps. Perfect for roofs and hoods where buildup adds dangerous weight. For light, powdery snow, grab a leaf blower instead. It's quick, contact-free, and keeps your paint untouched. Just make sure to use it on the lowest setting and avoid blasting near seals or vents. Also, always clear the roof. Flying snow chunks can hit drivers behind you or slide forward during braking. A simple tool choice makes all the difference. Go soft, go safe. Your paint, windows, and fellow drivers will thank you. And if you thought that was smart, wait for this. A $0 trick so simple, it feels like cheating winter itself. The Ziploc hack. Before a snowstorm hits, grab 2-gallon-sized Ziploc bags and slip them snugly over your side mirrors. Seal them tight at the base to keep snow and moisture out. Overnight, while everyone else is scraping away frost and ice, your mirrors stay completely clear and ready to go. In the morning, just peel the bags off. No scraping, no de-icing spray, no waiting for the defroster to kick in. It's clean, simple, and costs nothing. You can even reuse the same bags all winter long. Small details like these don't take time, but they make winter mornings a lot easier. You've just learned 10 key winter car tips to stay safe and ready. Follow them to avoid breakdowns, icy surprises, and costly repairs. Don't wait for the cold to strike. Repair now. Like, share your winter hacks, and keep driving smart all season long.